Oh my God, I waxed my best friend, my makeup artist. I waxed his asshole at school.
Really?
In front of the whole class. Yes.
He just laid down in front of the whole...
He had his jockstrap on, he was up and out. So brave, Ronnie.
He took one.
You are one brave soul.
The new Miss Universe is Philippines.
Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the one, the only Liza Soberano.
Wait for this.
Okay.
I'm so excited. Today we have turned Liza into Miss Universe. What does it feel like to have a crown again?
It feels right. No, I'm just kidding. No, I feel very honored to be in your presence, actually.
Oh my gosh. So to ring in 2023 with this beauty right here, we had to slay it for you because we know there's only one country that dominates Miss Universe, and that is the Philippines. So we did a beautiful smoky red carpet eye, and I gave her LA Glamour. Thank you so much for coming on my channel.
I'm so happy to be here.
So without further ado, be sure to jump in and don't forget that makeup is a one-size-fits-all. All right, guys, so I had to do the brows off camera so we can get into this conversation, Filipino to Filipina, because we have a lot to talk about today.
Yes, we do.
It's your first ever makeup tutorial.
It is.
Yes. Are you excited to be a LA girly and be on YouTube? Like, it's giving LA starter package.
It is. This is like the perfect welcoming collaboration.
I love it. I love it. Your skin looks so flawless.
Thank you.
I want to start off this video by saying that you did play Pia Wurtzbach
Yes.
as Miss Universe. You actually texted me.
I did, because we met like a year ago on the plane, and then
Oh, we did. Let's start there.
we met exactly a year ago on the plane on PAL going back to LA.
I filmed RuPaul's Drag Race there, and then we were all wearing masks, and we were both flying back.
Honestly, I was freaking out because
Why?
I recognized you, but then like I wanted to say hi, but didn't know like if you would be nice or approachable.
I went out to the club the night before with BJ.
With BJ, yeah. I
And
saw
then
that.
he sent me the picture that you took of me from
Yeah.
behind. Like, my friend's behind you. And I said, who's behind me?
Why did BJ do that?
I messaged BJ and I was like, oh my God, PatrickStarrr is here. Should I say hi? I don't know. Like, is he nice?
You know what's so funny? We bumped into each other in the bathroom area.
Yeah.
And you were like, I knew it was you. And then you were there. So it's been a year since we first met, and now we're here. But I want to channel Miss Universe as Liza Soberano today, 2022, 23, whichever. I prepped her brows. We're going to do a beautiful eye that captures the essence of Liza. And I'm going to use my holiday palette from last year. We're going to look for a beautiful neutral brown and just start with that. Why do you want to move to LA? Let's start there. And you're announcing it for the first time ever here.
Yeah, like I've never officially announced that I'm moving to LA. And that's just because it's a lot easier to build my career if I'm out here. Because like they're always constantly looking for like in-person meetings. And it's just hard to book the job when you're meeting people over Zoom. They can't really tell like what your personality is like, or they can't really see what you actually look like.
And you do literally everything entertainment. Modeling, dancing, acting, singing, backflipping. What is like your main goal,
main
like as a LA girly?
Well, I really want to become an actress, like a world-class actress. But I'm also just getting started with my music or singing career. So I signed with a music label in the Philippines called Careless. And I'm actually also signed to a music label here in LA called Transparent Arts, which is owned by like the Far East Movement boys. They're really immersing me into the music industry. I've been training a lot here. I've been taking vocal lessons, acting.
What's like the vibe of like your music?
I love K-pop.
The kids say, what is it giving?
What is it giving? I would say like kind of like K-pop, but a little edgier.
Not the Filipino ballads and the Whitneys and
No,
the... Really?
I'm not a bearded queen.
So next time we have to do a K-pop look.
Transformation.
Like crazy.
Yeah.
What do you love about LA?
Well, on like a superficial level, I really like the weather. That's what everybody likes to rave about here. I actually love just the culture of working hard and just grinding to become successful. Everybody's just got such a business mindset. It's cool because everybody's like just so open to collaborating and trying new things out with other people.
And you were born here?
I was born in the Bay Area actually, and then I moved to the Philippines when I was 10. I'm 24 now, so I've been working since I was 12. That's 12 years.
Guys, since we are coming into the new year, I always pick like a theme for like my year. Do you have like themes and goals for you?
Well, my goal really is to just become my own person because for so many years I was in a love team and that's mainly what I was known for, or like I was attached to so many different brands. I never was able to really build up my own personal branding. I feel like this year and the next few years is all about like just figuring out what I really want to do with my career and personally finding out what excites me, what fuels my passion.
I feel like these are Miss Universe questions.
They are.
I think it's just so cool when I have Filipino superstars like on my channel. We've had Pia, we have Liza Soberano, Tita Small Laude was here. So it's really cool that you guys get to see me and my culture and my people on here. Guys, I'm actually switching to the Visionary palette right here. We're just going to smoke out the eyes because I want this to be seen. And again, this is a look that you guys can do. There's a bunch of products that I'll be showing you guys today. So everything will be linked down below. All right, also we did a little bit of a lunch break, hair break, chismis break. But as I have a Filipino queen here, I'm gonna take Manila Sands, the eyeshadow in here, and just apply this on the lid. And for me, guys, when I've been doing like my eyeshadow, I've been using powder foundation on my lids. And I'm taking her shade, Light 3, the Turn of the Base Powder Foundation, and I put that on my lids. So if you guys don't have a light nude shadow, you're looking for that perfect nude shade, take a light powder foundation and just apply that on the eyes. I feel like a lot of people miss this part when it comes to doing makeup, blending your lid into the darker crease colors that we did. So I'm gonna take Taupe of My Game and I'm going to just blend this slightly. And it kind of supports like a little bit of a smokier wing. And you get this nice transition from the lid into the crease. You see the difference right here, guys? Close. Oh, she wanted to look herself. She's like,
Girl, it's for them, it's not for you, okay, girl? You can watch this later.
but we're gonna go ahead and give this smoky effect. So next we are going to do eyeliner. I'm taking my One Size and Disney collaboration eyeliner and giving her a fierce, fun wing backed by a brown smoky liner. I feel like combining the two is really, really beautiful just to give a background and support for the lashes. That way it doesn't take away from the rest of her makeup. All right, guys, so next we are going to secure the blur, but can we take a look at these eyes? They just open up the eyes. The rollers are giving extraterrestrial. I'm just gonna try to blur whatever I need to, which is absolutely nothing, but for the sake of the tutorial. I feel like as a makeup artist, really feeling your model, your client's skin has really helped me understand makeup a lot better. So I'm happy that I prepped her skin at the beginning.
Is it true that in Miss Universe they do their own makeup?
Yes.
They really don't have makeup.
I know, Liza Soberano, they don't have a glam team. I don't know about the other assistants in pageants, but it's truly a beauty queen pageant. You have to do everything.
You know, for Miss Universe, tell them you have to do your makeup for everything.
You have to know how to do your own makeup if you want to join a beauty pageant because not every day there's going to be a makeup artist there.
Okay, so for foundation, we are going to turn up the base with a secret foundation. And I feel like for any foundation, guys, make sure you guys are prepping. But we want this beautiful, even photogenic looking skin. I'm so excited because she's the first person that I'm using this on. You guys are not ready.
I'm so special.
Yes, I just got these yesterday. We don't test on animals, we test on celebrity models.
So what are you learning right now at school?
She's trying to quiz me.
I'm sorry.
I'm not learning a damn thing. We're learning how to do different types of facials like vitamin C, anti-aging, acne. But it's really cool because we're able to have like friends and family come to the school and
you get
learn.
to practice on
And
them.
oh my God, I waxed my best friend, my makeup artist. I waxed his hole at school.
Really?
In front of the whole class. Yes.
He just laid
His
down in front of
booty
the
hole.
whole...
He had his jock strap on. He was up and out. So brave, Ronnie.
He took one
You are one brave soul. What type of characters do you like love playing?
I love characters that are rooted in reality, like someone that could be your best friend. I also like really out of this world fantastical movies. I'm like a huge Harry Potter fan. I had a Harry Potter themed birthday party for my 19th birthday.
Well, since we're bragging, we went to the Harry Potter set in London.
I did too.
What house are you in?
I think I was in Ravenclaw.
Peter wanted to show you that he has a chocolate frog,
did?
but it is custom. If you look at this playing card, who is that you see? It's custom made to Peter. His name is on there. Go ahead.
All right, guys, for the bronzer stick, we are taking the Mario Soft Sculpt stick, I believe. This is the shade medium, and I'm doing all creams because we want this to photograph great. I think when it comes to like being photogenic on camera and flash, especially flash, cream, because I find that flash doesn't care for powder. So
I've never had contour around or bronzer around my lips.
it's a very J-Lo thing to make it look bigger. Like you don't even
Yeah,
have.
I just noticed.
You see, it
looks
adds
really
like the shadow. I'm giving you a bronze LA girl look today.
I need to start doing more LA girl activities.
Yes, we need to make you an LA girly. You are looking painted. This blush right here, it has been my favorite for the last like 2 months. This is the Very That Blush Trio Cheek Clapper, because we want to clap these cheeks.
I heard that term for the first
You
time last
did?
night.
You did?
like,
What were you doing last night?
Wait, sorry.
What were you doing last night, girl?
We were all drinking at home, and Miss Destiny Rogers, who is another artist on the Careless team, was like, I'm finna get my cheeks clapped. And I was like, what? What does that mean? Like you're trying to like slap your face, wake up? And then she was like, no, I'm trying to get my cheeks clapped. And then she started clapping, and that's when it kind of sank in.
I want to modernize this by going as close to the under eye as I can without making the under eye just in this area to lift the cheeks. So next, I'm going to go ahead and take the TikTok trend on baking. You blend, you set. I'm taking a powder foundation. This is in the same shade as her concealer that I use, Light 1. This is the award-winning Turn Up the Base powder. And the technique is called blend, set, and bake. Normally you would blend, bake, then set. I love this technique so much. I blended her Butter Silk concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and set this right here, and then we'll bake afterwards if we need to. And I love this Light 1 shade, by the way, because all of our shades have undertones. And to give this like cute look, I love going for rosy tones under the eyes. Now for the rest of the face, we're gonna take a little bit of Light 3 just to set. And even though I am putting it on the cheeks, you could still see the cheek clapper coming through. And don't forget the neck area. If you guys are doing complexion, make sure you are getting under here. Now that I've set her face with the powder foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Ultimate Setting Powder by One Size. I'm gonna stamp in the slightest little bit of baking powder right under the eyes just to set it in. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this Made for Shade a bronzer trio. There are 3 colors. There's a cool, a warm, and a neutral shade. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly set around her forehead. This really helps set the cream bronzer that we used earlier. Do you know what I love about Filipino celebrities though? A lot of the glam teams are part of the LGBTQ community, and y'all support us so freaking hard.
And it's so much fun because like we become such great friends with our glam team. Like literally my makeup artist, Tito Mickey, he is also my ninong. I got him for my baptism to be my godfather.
I was like, you got a makeup artist for your baptism?
Yes, I did.
Oh, it's so
did.
cute.
Everybody makes fun of me in the industry because I call my glam like Tito Perry, and it's very not like
normal
for them. And it's important to take care of your glam team, really, because they'll only like love and really care for you.
Since you'll be an LA girly, name your girl crush celebrity and your boy crush celebrity.
I have the biggest crush on Jenny from Blackpink.
Are y'all friends?
We just met. I wish we were friends.
Oh my god, how was it?
They are so sweet. Like, it was so fun just watching them. I didn't know that I was going to meet them. I thought I was just going to watch the concert. I was brought to like the VIP area, and as soon as I entered the room, like I recognized everybody. Lily Rose Depp was there, Simeon Hayes. I was trying my best not to freak out, really, because these are all people that I like adore. I was trying to keep it cool, but on the inside I was freaking out. And then I met all of them really. They're just so sweet, and no matter how tired they were after performing, they were just so accommodating.
Okay, so for the lashes, I am using the brand Lashify. It's literally so freaking gorgeous. They come in like cute little clusters like this, and they are in different sizes. So I'm gonna apply the lashes from underneath her real eyelashes. This is in a size 12. I'm gonna take a size 10, 12, and a 14, and use the glue to coat one mascara, then the bond, and then apply them carefully one by one all across her lash underneath. All right, guys, everything is coming together, looking like a freaking doll, and I look like a grease ball over here, but I'm taking a little bit of a beautiful lip liner. Can't say what it is. And for me, it's about a natural lip color that is almost rosy. That looks like her lip color, but I also wanna make sure that you all complement the cheek color as well. Now to finish everything off, 2 more steps, I'm gonna go ahead and spray Preserve the Serve to make it a little bit dewy and let all that powder melt in, and then spray the very famous, the #1 setting spray in the world, Until Dawn, the waterproof setting spray, and lock it all in, and we'll be right back with the hair and the crown. All right, everyone, this is the finished look, my queen, my queen. What do you think?
I feel so glamorous right now. I've never really done like big hair like this and the whole pageant look.
Thank you so much for coming on my channel and gracing your presence. Be sure to follow Liza Soberano on all her social media links right here and also down below. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.
Bye.